does this look familiar? Good morning, my friend. This is Mary Howard RN with PowerlineHealth.com, bringing you another episode of Essentially Yours. Yeah, you grab what you want. All those roller balls, they just go flying. So annoying, isn't it? Well, we've got a solution. And you can make one too. Isn't this nifty? Here, I'll show you how easy this is. Watch. All we did was took a chunk of wood, it's actually cedar, and drilled some holes. They're 13/16, and they're just right so the roller bottles aren't too tight so it doesn't hurt the labels. And isn't that just nifty? And I tell you what, I've got one of these on my nightstand at home. We've made them on rectangular pieces of wood so you can have nice straight lines. They're just as handy as can be, handy as a pocket on a shirt. You ought to try making one of these. Super easy. If you have a local neighbor that likes to work with wood, I bet he'd make you some of these in a heartbeat. Hope that helps you in your life. This is Mary, Essentially Yours.